I've still got some finishing touches to do, but this is my Benny built bead roller, and that is a pipe threader for a motor. It's about a 36-inch throat. It has a foot pedal and speed control. The whole unit here is constructed out of 1/2-inch metal. I didn't want that big hump on the top and the bottom, so I went with a 1/2-inch metal. And I also used this pipe. It's a thick wall pipe. Everywhere you see a bolt, it's going through like that, and it's bolted together tight. It's really heavy. This is a hook I'm gonna weld on there so that I can pick it up and move it around with my engine hoist. When you put circles like this and weld it, it makes it very strong, and that section right there really needs to be as strong as you can get it. Welded some feet on it so I could bolt it to my table. It's powered by a pipe threader that I got for like 179 bucks. This design is nice because it's simple and it's really solid mounted. The way it's mounted is real simple, so I will show you. That's it. All I did was weld this right on here. This piece is from the pipe threader, and it is keyed to go onto the shaft, and it has a set screw to hold it in place. What's nice about this pipe threader too, you don't need a lug joint because it's got play right here in the pipe threader. See, moves just a little bit, just enough to have a little bit of play there. I've just got the trigger pulled with a zip tie. It does have reverse if you need it. This is a speed controller and a foot pedal. You have to make sure you get your amperage right, like so that they can handle the load from the pipe threader. What's nice is that they all just plug in together. I didn't have to do any wiring. The stuff just plugs into each other. Let me demonstrate the speed controller and foot pedal the best I can. That's lower voltage and makes it slower, and you just raise it up. It goes faster. The speed I like best, and it has a lot of power, is right here, right between the red and the green there. This is a piece of 18 gauge steel, typically what you would see on a car. Let me crank it up to the highest speed and see how it does. For those of you that do follow the channel, there will be a video this Sunday on the Datsun 620, and now we have a way to make floorboards for it, so that's really exciting. For those of you that don't know, I am the one and only infamous Kentucky Yankee without a doubt, at your service. We'll see you next time.